From the depths of the oceans to the heart of the rainforest, the natural world is a tapestry woven with creatures of astonishing diversity. Their behaviors, honed over millennia, are as varied as the environments they inhabit. Join us now as we journey into this extraordinary realm to unravel the mysteries behind some of the most bizarre and intriguing animal behaviors. Prepare to be astounded by the unexpected, the peculiar, and the downright hilarious. We'll delve into the science behind these curious actions, uncovering the evolutionary advantages and ecological pressures that have shaped these remarkable adaptations. Get ready to see the familiar in a new light as we challenge preconceived notions and reveal the hidden depths of the animal kingdom. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, each species has a story to tell. A tale of survival, adaptation, and often sheer wonder. So buckle up and prepare to be amazed as we embark on this exhilarating exploration of the bizarre truth about animal behaviors. The humble duck, a familiar sight on park ponds and waterways around the world. Often perceived as serene and unassuming, these feathered creatures possess a surprisingly complex vocal repertoire. Among their calls, one stands out for its peculiar resemblance to human laughter. This distinctive sound, a series of short, raspy notes, might seem out of place amongst the more traditional quacks and whistles. But like all animal vocalizations, it serves a crucial purpose in the social dynamics of duck society. While we might not fully understand the nuances of duck humor, scientists believe this laughter plays a role in communication and social bonding. It's often heard during courtship displays, suggesting it might signal attraction or playfulness between potential mates. Furthermore, these vocalizations can also be used to maintain contact between individuals within a flock, particularly in dense vegetation or when visibility is limited. In essence, this laughter helps ducks navigate their social world and strengthen their bonds. The humble goldfish, a staple of childhood bedrooms and office desks, has long been saddled with the reputation of possessing a tragically short memory. This belief has been so pervasive that it has become a common metaphor in our everyday language. Just like a goldfish, we say when someone forgets something within moments. This comparison, though often used humorously, paints an unfair picture of these fascinating creatures. But is this reputation truly deserved? The answer, quite simply, is no. Goldfish are far more complex and intelligent than this myth suggests. The idea that goldfish have a mere 3-second memory is a persistent myth, debunked time and time again by scientific research. In reality, goldfish have demonstrated the ability to remember information for extended periods. These shimmering creatures are far more intelligent than we often give them credit for. Their cognitive abilities are a testament to the complexity of their brains and their capacity for learning. Studies have shown that goldfish can remember things for months, not seconds. This long-term memory allows them to adapt to their environment and learn from their experiences. They can learn to associate certain colors, shapes, and even sounds with food, demonstrating an impressive capacity for learning and memory. This ability to form associations is a clear indicator of their cognitive prowess. In fact, some goldfish owners have even trained their aquatic companions to perform simple tricks, further highlighting their cognitive abilities. These tricks require not only memory, but also problem-solving skills. These feats of learning require far more than a fleeting 3-second memory. They involve the ability to recall past experiences and apply that knowledge to new situations. So, where did this enduring myth originate? One theory suggests it stems from our own limited understanding of the underwater world. The simplicity of a goldfish's environment may have led to the misconception that they lack mental stimulation. Goldfish, confined to the seemingly unchanging environment of a tank, might appear to lack the mental stimulation needed for complex memories. However, this couldn't be further from the truth. Even within the confines of a tank, goldfish exhibit a range of behaviors that demonstrate their intelligence. They explore their surroundings, interact with objects, and show curiosity. Even within the confines of a tank, Goldfish exhibit a range of behaviors that demonstrate their intelligence. They can learn to navigate mazes, recognize their owners, and even develop individual personalities. These behaviors are indicative of a complex and capable mind. They can learn to navigate mazes, recognize their owners, and even develop individual personalities. This ability to recognize and respond to different people suggests a level of social intelligence that is often overlooked. Their memory capacity, while perhaps not on par with that of a chimpanzee or a dolphin, is nonetheless impressive. Goldfish have been shown to remember past events and use this information to inform their future actions, a hallmark of true intelligence. Goldfish can remember past events and use this information to inform their future actions, a hallmark of true intelligence. This ability to learn from experience and adapt is a key indicator of cognitive ability. The next time you encounter a goldfish, take a moment to appreciate these fascinating creatures for their true cognitive abilities. They are not simply mindless automatons with fleeting memories, but rather complex beings capable of learning, remembering, and even surprising us with their intelligence. They are not simply mindless automatons with fleeting memories, but rather complex beings capable of learning, remembering, and even surprising us with their intelligence. So, the next time you see a goldfish, remember that there is much more to these creatures than meets the eye. Across the animal kingdom, play is an essential part of development, particularly for young animals. Play helps them learn about their environment, develop social skills, and practice behaviors that will be crucial for their survival. Puppies, with their boundless energy and inquisitive nature, are no exception. They're constantly exploring, learning, and testing their limits. One of their most amusing and perplexing behaviors is the seemingly endless pursuit of their own tails. This behavior can be both entertaining and mystifying to dog owners. This curious behavior is, more often than not, a harmless expression of youthful exuberance. Puppies are naturally playful, and their tails provide an easy and ever-present source of amusement. As puppies explore their newfound mobility, their tails, constantly in their field of vision, become an irresistible target. The movement of their tails can catch their attention, leading to a playful chase. The chase is on, a whirlwind of wagging, spinning, and uncoordinated leaps. This activity not only entertains the puppy, but also helps them burn off excess energy. While amusing to observe, this tail chasing serves a valuable purpose. It's a form of play that helps puppies develop important physical and mental skills. It helps puppies develop coordination, build muscle, and hone their predatory instincts. These skills are essential for their growth and development. Though they may never catch their elusive target, the joy of the chase is its own reward. The act of chasing their tails provides mental stimulation and physical exercise. While tail chasing is a normal part of puppyhood, it can, in some cases, indicate an underlying issue. It's important to understand when this behavior might be a sign of something more serious. For older dogs, persistent tail chasing might be a sign of boredom, anxiety, or even a compulsive disorder. Dogs may resort to this behavior when they lack sufficient mental or physical stimulation. Just as we might pace when restless, dogs may turn to this repetitive behavior as an outlet for their pent-up energy. It's a way for them to cope with stress or anxiety. Furthermore, medical conditions such as fleas, worms, or skin allergies can also trigger excessive tail chasing. These conditions can cause discomfort and irritation, leading dogs to focus on their tails. The irritation caused by these conditions can lead dogs to gnaw and scratch at their tails, perpetuating the cycle. It's important to address these medical issues promptly to prevent further discomfort. Therefore, it's crucial for owners to be mindful of their dog's behavior. Observing changes in their dog's habits can provide early clues to potential health or behavioral issues. If the tail chasing becomes obsessive or is accompanied by other behavioral changes, it's essential to consult a veterinarian. A professional can help determine the underlying cause and recommend appropriate treatment. Early intervention can address any potential health concerns and ensure the well-being of our canine companions. Regular checkups and prompt attention to unusual behaviors are key to maintaining a dog's health. After all, a happy and healthy dog is one that wags its tail with joy, not frustration. Ensuring that our dogs are well cared for and stimulated can help prevent problematic behaviors and keep them content and playful. High in the bamboo forests of China lives a creature of contradictions, the giant panda. This iconic bear, with its distinctive black and white markings, is instantly recognizable and universally adored. Yet, beneath its cuddly exterior lies a digestive system that is anything but ordinary. Pandas belong to the order Carnivora, and their ancestors were indeed meat-eaters. However, over millennia, they've undergone a remarkable evolutionary shift, transitioning to a diet almost exclusively composed of bamboo. This dietary specialization has had a profound impact on their physiology, behavior, and even their excrement. Bamboo, though abundant, is notoriously low in nutritional value. To extract sufficient sustenance, pandas must consume vast quantities of this fibrous plant, spending up to 14 hours a day eating. This constant grazing necessitates a digestive system capable of processing enormous amounts of plant matter. Perhaps the most peculiar aspect of the panda's bamboo-centric diet is their apparent preference for certain parts of the plant. While they consume both leaves and stems, pandas exhibit a distinct fondness for bamboo shoots which emerge from the ground in spring. These tender shoots, packed with nutrients and moisture, are a welcome respite from the panda's otherwise monotonous diet. During the brief window when shoots are available, pandas will gorge themselves, their consumption reaching astonishing levels. This seasonal feast has a remarkable effect on their digestive systems. The high fiber content of bamboo shoots, coupled with the panda's relatively short digestive tract, results in a rather unique form of excrement. Unlike the pungent droppings of most carnivores, panda poop is surprisingly inoffensive, often described as resembling dry, shredded bamboo. In the intricate tapestry of life, snakes stand out as masters of locomotion without limbs. Their unique mode of movement has fascinated scientists and nature enthusiasts alike for centuries. Their sinuous bodies, devoid of legs, propel them through a remarkable range of habitats, from lush forests to arid deserts. Whether navigating the dense underbrush or gliding over scorching sands, snakes have adapted to thrive in diverse environments. But how do these creatures, seemingly bound by their anatomy, achieve such remarkable feats of movement? The answer lies in a combination of anatomical adaptations and evolutionary ingenuity. The secret lies in the intricate interplay of their skeletal structure, muscular system, and specialized scales. Each component works in harmony to create the fluid, graceful motion we associate with these reptiles. A snake's backbone, composed of hundreds of vertebrae, provides incredible flexibility. This extensive series of vertebrae allows for a wide range of motion, enabling the snake to bend and twist its body with ease. Each vertebra is connected to its neighbors by a ball and socket joint, allowing for a wide range of motion. This unique skeletal structure is a key factor in the snake's ability to maneuver through various terrains. This flexible backbone is further enhanced by a network of powerful muscles that run the length of the snake's body. These muscles are arranged in complex layers, each contributing to the snake's overall strength and agility. These muscles contract and relax in a coordinated sequence, generating waves of movement that ripple from head to tail. This wave-like motion is a hallmark of snake locomotion, allowing them to move efficiently and effectively. As these waves propagate, they create points of friction against the ground, propelling the snake forwards. This friction is crucial for movement, as it provides the necessary traction for the snake to push off and advance. While the basic principles of snake locomotion are consistent, these remarkable reptiles have evolved a variety of gaits to suit different environments and hunting strategies. Each gait is a testament to the snake's adaptability and survival skills. The most familiar is lateral undulation, also known as serpentine movement. This is the classic S-shaped motion we often associate with snakes, characterized by the snake's body forming a series of curves as it moves. This is the classic S-shaped motion we often associate with snakes, In this form of locomotion, the snake's body bends into a series of curves, creating a wave-like pattern that propels it forward. In lateral undulation, the snake pushes off against irregularities in the terrain, using these points of contact to propel itself forward. This method is highly effective on uneven surfaces, allowing the snake to navigate complex environments with ease. This method is highly effective on land and in water, allowing snakes to navigate a wide range of obstacles. Whether slithering through dense vegetation or swimming across a river, lateral undulation provides the versatility needed for survival. However, it's not the only trick in their repertoire. Snakes have developed several other methods of locomotion to adapt to different challenges and environments. When faced with smooth or slippery surfaces, snakes employ a different technique known as rectilinear locomotion. This method is particularly useful for moving across flat, featureless terrain where lateral undulation would be less effective. This method involves moving in a straight line, using specialized muscles to lift and shift sections of their belly scales. By lifting and anchoring these scales, the snake can inch forward in a controlled, deliberate manner. These scales, equipped with microscopic ridges, grip the surface, allowing the snake to inch forward with surprising precision. This technique is slow but highly effective, enabling the snake to move stealthily with great control. And so, despite lacking limbs, snakes have conquered their world through a combination of evolutionary ingenuity, muscular power, and a touch of reptilian elegance. Their ability to move with such grace and efficiency is a testament to the power of adaptation. They remind us that even in the absence of conventional limbs, the drive to move, explore, and thrive find a way. Snakes are a remarkable example of nature's ability to innovate and adapt, showcasing the endless possibilities of life on Earth. The world of birds is awash with an astounding array of chirps, whistles, and songs. Each call a vital tool for communication, echoing through forests and across grasslands. Yet some species, like the parrot, possess an uncanny ability to transcend their own vocal repertoire. They mimic with remarkable accuracy the sounds of their environment, including, most intriguingly, the complexities of human speech. This talent for vocal learning is not merely a parlor trick, but a testament to the parrot's advanced cognitive abilities. Studies suggest that parrots, like humans, possess specialized brain regions dedicated to vocalization and learning. These feathered mimics use their vocal skills to strengthen social bonds within their flocks. By mimicking the calls of their flockmates, parrots reinforce group cohesion and strengthen their place within the social hierarchy. Ants, those industrious insects that carpet our gardens and invade our kitchens, are remarkably resilient creatures. Their small size and robust exoskeletons allow them to withstand pressures and environments that would spell doom for larger creatures. They navigate complex mazes, endure scorching deserts, and even survive floods by linking together to form living rafts. But can these tiny titans of the insect world withstand the intense heat generated within a microwave oven? While ants possess an arsenal of survival strategies, the extreme heat and radiation produced by a microwave oven present an insurmountable challenge. Water molecules within the ant's body would be excited to a furious pace, causing rapid and lethal overheating. The ant's exoskeleton, though tough, would offer little protection from such intense and focused energy. Therefore, while ants may emerge victorious from a surprising array of threats, a microwave oven is one hazard they simply cannot overcome. As darkness descends and the world sleeps, a chorus of croaks, ribbits and chirps erupts from ponds, marshes and wetlands. This nocturnal symphony originates from a multitude of frog species, each adding its unique voice to the cacophony. But why do these amphibians reserve their most vocal performances for the cover of darkness, transforming tranquil waters into a concert of croaks? The answer lies in the crucial role that vocalizations play in the life of a frog. For many species, the nightly chorus serves as a grand advertisement for potential mates. Males, often the most vocal, use their calls to attract females and establish their presence within the breeding grounds. These amphibian serenades also serve as territorial warnings to rivals, demarcating boundaries and reducing the risk of physical confrontations. Across the savannas and grasslands of Africa, a haunting sound echoes through the night. The laugh of the hyena, often misunderstood and demonized, is a complex form of communication essential to their survival. For centuries, hyenas have been shrouded in myth and superstition, often portrayed as cowardly scavengers. However, these intelligent creatures are far more than mere villains of the night. Hyenas are highly social animals, living in complex clans led by a dominant female. Their laughter, far from a sign of amusement, is actually a crucial part of their social interactions. These vocalizations, ranging from giggles to whoops and yells, convey a wealth of information, including social status, location, and even their emotional state. Within a hyena clan, communication is key to maintaining order and coordinating hunts. Their laughter helps them establish dominance hierarchies, resolve disputes, and even work together to bring down prey much larger than themselves. Their powerful jaws and digestive systems allow them to consume almost every part of a carcass, leaving little for scavengers. This ability to fully utilize their food source makes them incredibly successful predators in their own right, challenging the image of them as solely reliant on the leftovers of other animals. The laughter of the hyena, once perceived as a sign of malice, is in fact a testament to their intelligence and social complexity. It is a reminder that the natural world is full of surprises, and even the most misunderstood creatures play vital roles in their ecosystems. From house cats to lions, the feline world is renowned for its agility and grace. Their ability to seemingly defy gravity, landing effortlessly on their feet time and again, has captivated humans for centuries. This remarkable feat is thanks to a special ability known as the righting reflex, an instinctive response deeply embedded in their biology. This reflex is present from a very young age, with kittens as young as 6 weeks old beginning to demonstrate this impressive skill. The secret to their success lies in their unique skeletal structure, particularly their flexible backbone and the absence of a collarbone. This allows for an extraordinary range of motion, enabling them to contort their bodies mid-air and quickly orient themselves. The cat's inner ear acts as a natural gyroscope, detecting changes in balance and sending vital information to the brain. This allows them to quickly determine which way is up, even when falling from considerable heights. Their tail, often thought of as simply an instrument for balance, also plays a crucial role in the righting reflex, acting as a counterweight to help them rotate their bodies. However, it's important to remember that even with these incredible adaptations, cats are not invincible. While their righting reflex is highly effective, falls from extreme heights or awkward landings can still result in injury. Nevertheless, their ability to right themselves mid-air remains a testament to the power of natural selection, showcasing the elegance and precision ingrained within the feline form. From the infectious laughter of hyenas to the gravity-defying agility of cats, the animal kingdom never ceases to amaze. We've journeyed together through a world of bizarre and fascinating behaviors, uncovering the science and stories behind the incredible creatures that share our planet. If you've enjoyed this glimpse into the wild world of animal behavior, be sure to like this video and subscribe to Boldly Wild for more incredible journeys into the heart of nature. Let us know in the comments which animal behavior surprised you the most. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and never stop marveling at the wonders of the natural world.